Now we are going to look into the concepts of clock. The first concept in clock is angle reflex angle. In angle, we have three types of angle. First, angle between our hand and minute hand is given by 11 by 2 m minus 30 h. It's a modulus, so then even comes a negative, take the positive value only. Next one, angle made only by our hand. It's nothing but 30h plus m by 2. 13 hours plus m by 2. Third, angle made by minute hand. That's nothing but 6 into m. Fourth, reflex angle. It's nothing but 360 degree minus case 1. Which is case 1? Case 1 is the first one to find the angle between the hour and minute hand. So there are four types of angle. The first one, angle between the hour and minute hand, is given as 11 by 2 m minus 30 h, where h is hours and m is minutes. Second, angle made only by hour hand, that is given by 30 h plus m by 2. Third, angle made only by minute hand, that is nothing but 6 into minutes. Fourth, reflex angle is nothing but 360 degree minus the first angle, that is the 360 degree minus angle between the hour hand and minute hand. The next concept, how to find the exact minutes. This means at what time between 8 and 9 the hands of a watch will make 90 degree. Now I already told you what is the angle concept. Angle concept is nothing but 11 by 2 m minus 30 h is equal to angle. So here what is given at what time between 8 and 9 means the hours value is 8, because whatever time comes between 8 and 9 always the hours is 8 only. So we have to find the minutes value where the angle is also given as 90. So substituting these values, 11 by 2 m minus 30 into 8 equal to 90 degree, where 11 by 2 m minus 240 degree equal to 90. 11 by 2 m equal to 240 plus 90, 330 degree. Now m equal to 660 by 11. So this is your answer for the minutes value. Next one, find the exact time between 7 and 8 when the two hands of a watch meet. Meet means angle is 0. So 11 by 2 m minus 30 h equal to 0 degree. So m we don't know, minus 30 into hours is in between 7 and 8 7, 0. So 11 by 2 m equal to 210 degree, where m equal to 420 by 11. So minutes is 420 by 11. If you want, you can convert it to mixed fraction also or decimal also according to the given options. The next concept is finding the mirror image. How to find mirror image? Nothing but mirror image means you have to subtract the given time. Okay, given time in the question from 1160. For example, first question, from 1160 subtract 720. The answer becomes 440. This is the answer. For the second question, from 1160 subtract 645. It comes 515. For third question, from 1160 subtract 150. It comes 1010. So this is how to find the mirror image of a clock. So for any mirror image, subtract the number, the clock given from 1160. For water image, how to find water image? Subtract the given time from 1830. For example, 1830 subtracted from 240. Now you cannot subtract 40 from 30. What you will do, you carry 1 hour. If you carry 1 hour, it becomes 18 hours. You carry 1 hour, it becomes 17. And 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, goes on 30, becomes 90 minutes. From this, subtract 240. What you left with 1550 or 350. Similarly, second question, 1830 minus 650, nothing but 1250. Third one, 1830 minus 550. Again, I told you to carry. So it becomes 1790 minus 550. So 1240. So this is how to calculate the mirror image and water image. The last one, gaining and losing. Gaining and losing means whenever the time is running fast, it is called as gaining. Whenever the time is running slow, it is called as losing. For example, a clock gains 15 minutes per day. That means in 24 hours, it gains 15 minutes. So how much it gains in 1 hour? It gains 15 upon 24. That is 5 by 8. Now it is given that it is set right at 12 noon. What time it will show at 4 am. Now from 12 noon to 4 am, how much time it is? It is nothing but 16 hours. How much it gains in 1 hour? 5 by 8. So in 16 hours, it will gain 16 into 5 by 8, 10 minutes. Gaining 10 minutes, it will show 10 minutes more. So what time it will show at 4 o'clock? At 4 o'clock, it will show 10 minutes more. That means 410 will be the answer. This is called gaining concept. The next comes losing concept. A clock loses 2 seconds every minute. That means every 1 minute, it loses 2 seconds. That means minus. In 60 minutes or 1 hour, it will lose minus 120 seconds or minus 2 minutes. Now it is given that if the clock was set at correct time at 10 in the morning, find the time shown by the clock when the correct time is 5 p.m. From 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. we have 7 hours. For 1 hour we got minus 2 minutes. For 7 hours we'll get 7 into minus 2 minus 14 minutes. That means what time it shows at 5 p.m. it will show 14 minutes slow, that is 4:46 p.m. This is your losing concept. So these are the 4 concepts in clock where we have solved the problems of angle concept and to find the exact minutes, water image and mirror image, and also the gaining and losing. Hope you all of you understood. Thank you so much.